Welcome back to another edition of Insurance Answers. I'm your host, Billy Bray. So today we're going to be talking about loss of income, aka business interruption insurance. This is really important to understand that this is not included on most policies. It is kind of an expensive coverage. It does pay dollar for dollar. That's why. So if you have, for instance, a policy for a piece of property, your manufacturing plant, your construction main site, or an apartment complex that generates revenue, or you need to be there or have tenants or residents there to generate revenue, or customers to come in and pay money to generate revenue, and there's a storm, there's a fire, there's a flood, earthquake, tornado, whatever the case may be, hurricane, that prevents your business from making money, this is when you need business interruption insurance. So there's usually a waiting period. Sometimes it's 24 hours, 72 hours. Sometimes it's up to 30 days, kind of acts as a deductible on this. But after that time period, it will pay dollar for dollar in most cases. So I remember in New Orleans when there was Hurricane Katrina and a lot of the restaurants and businesses were shut down, the people that had business interruption ended up being fine because they could go to Baton Rouge and open a restaurant, or they could go to the North Shore and go get back in business. But the folks that didn't know about it or didn't understand it or were unwilling to pay for it, unfortunately, were the ones that really got hurt. So it's not something that you're going to claim on very often, but when you do, it's very important to understand, do I have it? What's my waiting period? How much per month am I going to get? Or does it last for a year or 2 years or 3 years? And then also, what's my premium for paying for that? Or if you don't have it, what would the premium be? If you don't know those answers, contact your insurance broker, try to figure it out. If you want our assistance helping you with that, contact us. You can click below.